Hi, I'm Dev Palmer. I'm the shop foreman here at Len Dubois. Hey, I'm Chaffet. I'm the pre-trip guy at Len Dubois. So yeah, today we're just going to show you how we pre-trip trucks to just get them ready to roll again for the next trip. So, as you were, Clay. Alrighty, so first I like to check my lights. So, go up here. Turn the key on. Turn all the lights on, your hazards, and your brakes. You just do walk around. It's all up in there. Check the front. Good scoop of grease after you scrape it off. And you spread some love. So even though the drivers do their own pre-trips and check oil levels when they're on the road, we like to check them again when they get home, just to keep them honest and make sure that they have the fluids that they require. Perfect. Top that up again. Safe to assume it might be leaking too, so we'll have a quick look at that. That's where it's leaking, so we'll probably end up booking that one in to get it fixed after this trip. Kind of a lengthy process. And he's leaving.
Yeah, there's no point in doing it, right?
So as you can see in the video, all of our trucks are equipped with Webasto engine heaters and also bunk heaters, just to help curb idling and keep drivers like Jody here, keep them a little more comfortable. Don't want them too comfortable, but you know, somewhere in the middle. Too mentally reasonable. So we also do a spare fluid check in the jockey box, make sure all the drivers have all the fluids that they might need on the road, washer fluids, oils, antifreeze, and in the wintertime, fuel conditioner. And even though it seems a little redundant, we always do tire pressures after every trip, just because it's super important to maintain fuel mileage. Also, it's kind of safer when you're going down the road and there's air in your tires. We see value in that. Whenever I pass by the truck, and I'm not out here all the time with the boys, I kind of like to be a touchy-feely type of guy. I like to just give everything a good shake. Make sure you got nothing that's obviously loose or hoses chafing, stuff like that. Check the shocks, make sure they're tight, stuff like that. We don't necessarily on a pre-trip or post-trip, we don't necessarily crawl under them. Those inspections are done when we're doing full services, grease jobs, safety, stuff of that nature. And so this pre-trip procedure, this is also the time when drivers, when they hand in their maintenance sheets after every trip, if they have an issue or something that they have recognized on the vehicle, this will be the time it'll actually move up to the front side of the shop, and then the repairs will be done prior to the driver coming in. So. And these toolbox were installed for the deck boys here. Made them pretty happy, let me tell you. Hey, Jody? Yeah. That's factory. Well, like I said, just a quick check. Make sure nothing's falling off. So the last thing we do, pre-trip wise, when the truck gets out, is we give it a bath. I always bath him after every trip because clean is sexy. Trucks always look good clean, so gotta wash them. That concludes the pre-trip inspection. As you can see, the truck's all sexy now, and driver will be happy and good to go.